He's getting the knack of that.
I'm not sure knack is the right terminology.
Whoa, tight turn there.
Okay, goggles on. Sorry, just getting myself adjusted. Head tracker. And there we go, cub. Okay, just gonna turn around. Look at the golden on the sun now.
I know.
So I'm gonna turn around to the left, give it a bit of power, go for a roll, go for a loop.
11 minutes.
I caught most of that.
Oh, nice.
That was crazy.
Another roll, another roll.
That was an interesting shot.
Motor away.
See, in moments like that, you don't want to panic. You just go with the flow.
I'm gonna give it a bit of throttle and get a bit of height on because look at that, the sun looks amazing. Yeah, it's gone nice and steady. Oh, there's a cub.
So I'm flying forwards, but looking back at you over my right wing. That's crazy. Let's break off there. It's tricky to do that. All right, fingers crossed.
Yeah, if you sat at home watching this on the computer, nice and warm, I can't feel my fingers.
He's warming his wings above the sun. Man, I'm creeping that throttle all the way forwards. Oh, catching.
Okay, motor away.
Throttle back, because he's going to slow right down.
Yeah,
A little bit of power.
and the
maintain.
CG
Oh,
shifts with the motor shifting as well. Okay, just gonna turn round to the right.
There he is. Chase on.
I was too busy looking at you then. Where is he?
You just drifted right above me.
Oh yeah, there you are.
That's some interesting DVR, folks. Right, so I've got to get the other one figured out because two planes matched are so much easier than two oddball planes.
Yeah, it really
The way they glide, the way they power up.
does make a
Having
difference.
said that, very interesting today. That's nice.
Whoa!
You're fine.
No, I mean even mine started tip stalling a bit there. Okay, coming round to the left. No idea which way the wind's blowing now. It's all over the place. I think it's changed.
It's sort of just to the right of the sun.
Changed direction like 3 times today.
Yeah, when Andy's on the glide, I need like 20% power just to kind of maintain with a bit of back pressure on the elevator. Forward there,
that sky is gorgeous now though.
You've seen the length of the shadows?
Yeah.
8
Pretty
minutes.
crazy. Oh, there's a cub having a moment.
Yeah, had a stall there, trying to keep an eye on you.
I'll give it a bit
Really
of throttle.
boned that right up. Where are you at now?
I just went over that, pointing towards the sun, basically.
Left or right? Oh, there you go. Okay.
Left, right, both of them. Left, I think.
Yeah, I gotcha. The hint was pointing towards the sun, and I'm like, left or right? That was nice. Straight through the sun there. Lost you for a second, came straight out the other
I'll try and
side.
keep the throttle on for a little bit. Oh, that sun is beautiful, beautiful. Is it an age thing, Phil, when I find myself these days constantly looking at sunsets and going, that's amazing. I can't remember when I was a kid ever going, do you know what? That's gorgeous sunset, that.
this thing where you're asking me about, is that an age thing?
Yeah.
What are you trying to say?
Well, I'm trying to say, here are my
I
observations.
completely lost you, by the way. When you said that, I'm like, where's he going with this?
Here are my observations of the sun. Do you agree or disagree? I wasn't making any assumptions, Phil.
I think you just...
It's such a 2024 thing to do, make assumptions about...
Just tell me, I've lost your plane. Where are you playing?
I'm over on that same field that I was over, except you're right, Bill, you're a tiny dot to me now.
Are you, right, okay.
So-
Which way are you heading, direction?
Towards the sun again.
Right, so if I look up and around, nope, can't see a darn thing.
I'm basically doing circuits in that left field. No, you've got to be some 200 feet below me there.
Right, I'm going to bone it
I can
and try and
see you.
spiral
There you
climb.
go. That's it. Just seeing you. You're slowly getting larger in my.
Oh,
that's
there's
it.
a little stick.
There it is.
It's like a little slender seagull.
Well, I like sunsets anyways, and I never used to as a child.
Yeah,
or
sorry,
younger.
getting back to that. I think that when you get, let's say, past your 20s, we're not going further than that, you tend to maybe appreciate the beauty in nature around you and all that natural stuff that doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. And it's like, I mean, I'm just closely catching on you now. The air's calmer here, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, that's cool.
It is.
That shot just there, and the light and the colour, and just, yeah, that was a moment. That was cool.
Maybe it's some of the flying as well, you know, because everything just looks better from above, doesn't it? You know, you get the perspective on those, the long shadows. You get to truly see the sun on the horizon because there's not like hills in the way
Yeah.
or curves. No, it does curve. I promise you it curves.
I tell you what'd be great, little peanut camera or something,
Yes.
shooting backwards between those two V-tail.
I've thought about that.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, peanut camera. I just
check
didn't.
your CG and your airflow for drag.
Just with this just being the second flights,
Oh, yeah,
essentially, I
finish
just
it
didn't want to
first,
rock
yeah.
the boat, you know, but it's a stable machine for that kind of stuff, you know.
That's a nice one. Holding there.
You might get a bit of signal because we're over the top of us there.
4 minutes.
Oh, nice, look at you.
Yeah, it's only because the bumpiness has
it's
eased
just
off
gone,
now.
hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's
It's just
gone.
a steady breeze now. Feels like maybe 10, 11 miles an hour. That's cool.
Yeah, it's 16 kilometers an hour, whatever that is. I think you're right, it's probably about 11 miles an hour on the ground, but up here, I think
That
it's
light
still
sheens
there.
across
except-
underneath Andy's wing. That's so cool.
It's just a little bit more consistent. There he is, look at that. It's a great shot
Nice
down the wing.
shot.
Okay, gonna come round to the left here.
Oh yeah, classy.
This thing, you only have to give it a tiny bit of throttle and it climbs like crazy.
That's glider for you.
Yeah.
Cruise all day at slow speed. Increase that slightly, and of course, you know, you're just gaining height.
That's
You've got
it.
lift. That's cool.
Oh! Look at that sun going behind the wing, and oh yes. Look at that. Okay, turning to the left. I've got just about 10% throttle on the whole time.
Yeah.
And if you listen close, you can just about hear a hoover flying over
That's
the top.
it. Yeah.
It's great looking out to these big wings. Okay, just gonna move over to the right slightly,
Nice.
just so I can get some nice sideways action on the sun. And then all of the shadows of the trees sort of all lining up. Gorgeous. Oh, and there's a cub back there somewhere as well.
I'm just playing with, I'm just letting you drift left and right over the nose.
Yeah, I need to, I should watch where I'm going really. So I am just drifting left and right, and that's mainly because I'm looking at you.
Yeah, at times me and Andy have been flying FPV planes, and he's looking back, I'm looking forwards, or vice versa. And we're just using each other's plane as a reference. Like, well, who's leading? Ah, doesn't really matter, does it?
Blind leading the
We've got the
blind.
blue above us, the green below us, and we're not that far away from where we took off. It'll be fine.
S-ing it round to the left there.
30 seconds.
Ah, look at that
So
behind
my
the
time
wing.
is set for like 12 minutes. I mean, mostly been cruising on power, about 30, 40 power. And should get another 2 or 3 minutes out of push, but it is cold.
Can I try follow you at this height, Phil?
Um,
Or you're back? I know we're not going to be here much longer. Where are you?
I'm behind you on your right.
Okay, you carry on going straight.
Right, I'm leveling up, steady now.
Timer 1 elapsed.
Throttling back a little bit, try and maintain.
Oh, there he is.
There's a little bit of bump here, not bad though.
I reckon I'm going to shoot past you.
Left or right?
Oh, look at that. No, I'm not. I'm just trying to come up a bit slowly behind you. Oh, that's beautiful, that, Phil. Straight through the sun. I'm on your left. Right.
Ah, damn you.
Sorry.
Ah, it's so close.
That's not close.
Yeah, but when you see what you said earlier, when the plane in front of you just drifts like from the right to left,
Yeah.
right of the sun, it vanishes for a split second and comes back through again. That's cool. And you get like the light just shimmering under the wing. That's great.
Gonna try and stay then on the right of you. So I should still be there now.
Not sure how far. Are we 2 fields out now?
We're okay.
I think that next hedge line just there would be the limit. We can go further, but it's just keeping things safe.
No point pushing it, Phil, especially when there's
Yeah.
a bit of breeze around.
He's there hanging around. Looks great though, so classy lines.
Yeah. All gliders look great, don't they, in the air?
Okay, gonna tickle, I think, a right-hander there, okay?
Yeah.
So you watch where you are, tickle right now. Very, very
That
gently.
should go straight in front of me. Whoa, okay. I need to put my motor out for some drag. There he is. I've gone in front of you now, I think.
Yeah, I'm coming up on your right. I'm now on your left, slightly behind you.
I just couldn't slow down.
Yeah.
I put the motor out for some drag, and
This is where we talk about this so much, having 2 matched aircraft when we're doing the same thing is so important.
it is. 2 of these would be great.
We'll get there.
So,
Oh, I'm going to stall so bad, try and keep behind you there.
what about now?
Now it's a problem.
It's a problem
So
for
I've got to
me.
bear in mind, I've reached like probably 13, 14 minutes there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna, are you gonna go for a landing?
Yeah, I'll go for a landing.
I'll try and catch that.
Okay, I'm gonna have to, let's turn here, but I think it might be too early.
Well, S it off a bit, yeah.
There we go. I'll keep my motor out.
Again, there's the sunshine, beautiful.
It's amazing, the light. It doesn't get much better than this.
I'm sat here in this plastic lawn chair, actually shivering now, it's gone that cold. Pass coming up.
Whoa!
And he's down. That was a good shot. And away into the sun if my battery doesn't die.
Yeah, please don't die.
Yeah, I'm coming round for landing. Big gap, big
That
gap.
was the best flight, Phil, I think.
Super
The
cool.
wind just calm enough, hasn't it?
There's a little white thingy down there. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to try and land without crashing the field first, and then try and circuit and just get your winging shot again. Landing on the right, on the green stuff, not the foamy stuff. Approach, flare. Oh, not too bad.
Fantastic, that was. Well done.
Good night, he's got a vacuum cleaner on top.
Yeah. Hang on. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Bye.
Great stuff.